Meaning of grandeur.
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 Grandeur. The term grandeur refers to the quality of being impressive, majestic, and magnificent. It is often used to describe things that are grand or dignified in appearance or stature. This word can be applied to natural landscapes, impressive buildings, or extraordinary events. The use of the term conveys a sense of awe and respect for something that is beyond ordinary perception. It represents a certain level of excellence and splendor that commands attention and admiration. Overall, the word grandeur is associated with the concept of inspiring awe and wonder in those who experience it.